Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Oil FX in a good position amid US stimulus talks. Analysis http ntvforex.com News ID 387259 8/11/2020 10:33:51 AM. Our view on how the FX markets could pan out this Tuesday. NBSP USD still all about stimulus talks, but keep an eye on oil. The dollar started the week on the front foot as equities were mixed amid a combination of US-China tensions and a gridlock in US stimulus negotiations. Overnight, risk assets are back to trading strongly, putting some fresh pressure on the greenback. In the US calendar, we have the NFIB Small Business indicator today, which consensus is expecting to flatten up after rebounding above 100 last month. Still, most market moves will continue to rely on talks around the U.S. fiscal stimulus package. While a breakthrough in negotiations may still not be a story for today, the news that President Trump is considering a capital gains tax cut to revive the jobs market may keep investor sentiment more upbeat. It will be worth monitoring the oil market developments, as crude is showing some good performance despite swings in global risk appetite and is facing a week packed with key releases. Should oil resilience persist, an oil-linked currency SAW rally may prove more sustainable than other pro-cyclicals. NBSP Euro ZEW showing more sentiment improvement. The German ZEW survey will be the highlight of the day in the Eurozone. Our economists expect an improvement from 80 to 65 in the current expectation measure. Consensus is centered around 69.5, although the expectations index may show a decline. A few points of surprise in the surveys will hardly make a big difference for the euro, but the notion that sentiment in the EZ continues to improve may consolidate the 1.1750 level as a floor in euro USD today. NBSP GBP Another jobs data surprise leaves markets unimpressed. The UK added 94.4k jobs in July with the unemployment rate holding on at 3.9%. Official jobs data continues to be insulated by the government's furlough scheme, but there is little doubt that the unemployment rate will creep higher as that scheme is gradually unwound, which explains GBP's muted reaction. NBSP CAD oil and positioning helping the loonie. The Canadian dollar was the best G10 performer yesterday, while the catalyst for the currency's strength was the good performance in crude. CAD has been showing some improved resilience to swings in global sentiment. One reason is that CAD is already facing an extreme net short positioning, as much as 17% of open interest as per the latest CFTC data. Here is our commentary on the topic. This possibly suggests less limited downside room to CAD in times of fragile sentiment. Incidentally, CAD is more protected to US-China tensions than its peers AUD and NZD. Momentum for the loonie may consolidate. NBSP read the original report. Oil FX in a good position amid US stimulus talks. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.